Did you get ready in the dark or something?
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hey girl, hey, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we're going to be doing some Marley twists. I guess that's what you could call them. Super long, and it only took me 2 hours. Do you want to know how? Do you want to know how? Okay, well, keep watching. Hey y'all, so this is how I did my sections, like how I parted my sections. I didn't do too much slicking or anything like that because this Marley hair matches my texture beautifully, so I don't have to like manipulate my hair too much. But this is just what the twists look like that I've got done so far, and this is the section that we're going to be working on for the duration of this video. So I'm going to clip one of the twists to the side so we can start on this section. So I used a little bit of edge control, literally the tiniest bit, just around like the perimeter, nothing like too sleek, just to get it like controlled. And I used this Jamaican twist braid hair by Freetress Equal, and I used 6 packs, and it's the extra long one. Okay, so if you want to do these long like this, make sure you get the extra long hair. So now I had parted my hair prior just because I did it the night before after I had washed my hair, because it was just easiest for me, and that probably took me like 30 minutes. And so I parted it, put it in twists just to like get it done and over with. And so now I'm just unraveling my hair and trying to like, you know, separate a little bit. And now we're going to do a little braid. Well, we're going to start a braid. We're not going to braid it all the way down. We're just going to braid the root so we have like something firm for the hair to like crochet onto. So literally I'm just braiding a couple of times, and then I'm going to leave it be, and then we're going to get the hair. So in the pieces in the front that I wanted to be a little bit smaller, I used 3 pieces. In the regular size pieces, I used 4 pieces, and I mixed the color 2 and the color 4. And the way that I did it, I just put it all together, twisted it so it would fit on the crochet hook, and I didn't have to like crochet in piece at a time. I just did it all in one. I was able to like, you know, get it in there, because that hair is not like too thick, so it wasn't really hard to get it all in. But so yeah, I crochet it in, I pull it through, and it's important to do like 2 pieces because it's a 2-strand twist. So like crocheting it in like this worked best for me. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of the braid out, just a little bit, so it's not like showing. And then I'm gonna separate my braid into 2 pieces, and then I'm going to literally start to twist. And I'm twisting the hair as I'm twisting the hair together. Does that make sense? Twisting the hair by itself, then twisting it together. Twisting the hair by itself, then twisting it together. And I was doing that so I could really like make sure I lock in my hair. But after I got my hair covered, I didn't really like twist so tightly. But yeah, I'm twisting the hair, then twisting it together. Twisting the hair, then twisting it together. And I think a twist is really like the simplest thing that you could do, which makes this style just extremely easy for anybody to do. And I think it's really cute and versatile. Like as you've seen, I had this hairstyle like with a really dressy look because I was going to dinner. So it's versatile, it's cute, I love it. So yeah, I'm just gonna twist that 2-strand twist that all the way down to the end. You don't have to do nothing else after that. I didn't do any steaming, any dipping, anything. Like just the simplest thing you could ever do, I promise. It was so easy going, and I still have them in now. I filmed this about like 2 weeks ago, and they are just like super easy. And let me tell you too, they are lightweight. These really are not heavy, and I love that. It was so easy for me to sleep with these. I had absolutely no issues whatsoever. So yeah, this is what the final look looks like, and we just gonna run through that one more time. But I'm gonna let the music play because like I said, this is really simple. So I'll see you at the end of the video. Oh wait, I forgot to say, I have exactly 26 twists, and if I didn't say already, this took me literally 2 hours down to the minute. I started at 12, I was done at 2. I did, however, do the parting the day before, and that took me about 30 minutes. But let me tell you why you don't need to do that. Because I did the parting the day before and I did twist, like as you can see. I'm taking the twist out and then doing the braid. So had I not done the twist, I wouldn't have had to take time taking the twist out and then starting the braid, which in turn will start the twist, because that's what you're going to crochet the hair onto. So if you eliminate having to like do the twist and then take the twist out, then you'll save yourself some time. So yeah, that part was just extremely unnecessary. Well, it's unnecessary for you to do. It was necessary for me to do because I had to do something with my hair to get it to lay flat and still be able to like go to work. But yeah, so 2 hours in total, 26 twists in total. Love this style. It's very versatile. Like I said, I had it on with like a dressy look and it looked absolutely beautiful. This is gonna be like my go-to style in the summertime because it's really quick. They lightweight. I sleep with them perfectly and they look good too. So love these. Really cute, really quick, really simple, extremely easy, and it's fast. So yeah, now for real this time, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna let you vibe out to some tunes and I'll see you at the end of the video. So I'm rushing, but I wanted to close out the video really quickly. I will include video footage of like the full scope so you can see like what the twists look like and how long they are and where they come to and all of that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop that in the comments. Let me know what you thought of the video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll catch you on my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.